Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Peasy Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute DIY calendar. This calendar can help you organize events and the things you have to do. I made this calendar for the rest of the 2020 year, therefore I only made June 2020 through January 2021. But if you're starting this calendar from the beginning of the year, then you can follow the same exact steps. So let's get right into it. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. So the first thing you'll need is 8.5 by 11 cardstock paper. You can use any color as long as the pen will show up. If you're making the whole year's calendar, you'll need 6 pieces of paper. The next thing you'll need is an eraser, a ruler, a black pen, and a pencil. You'll also need some pens or markers to decorate your border. Just make sure the markers don't bleed through. This one's optional, but if you have some stickers that'll go with the month theme or just a calendar theme in general, you can go ahead and pull those out. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the border for the month name. I'm going to measure 3 centimeters from the top, and then I'm going to start by marking a couple points across the paper. And now I'm going to draw a line connecting all those points. So now I'm going to measure 1 centimeter and start making the points right underneath the previous line we just made. Now I'm going to connect all the points by drawing a line. This is going to be the box that we're going to use to write all the days of the week. Now I'm going to measure 3.5 centimeters off of the right side of the paper, the left side of the paper, and the middle. You should make a total of 4 ticks with 5 spaces in between. Now I'm going to connect all those points we made with 4 horizontal lines. Lastly, I'm going to measure 4 centimeters and start making points at the bottom of the paper. You should have a total of 6 points with 7 spaces. I'm going to do the same thing for the top. Now I'm going to connect all these points together to form the vertical lines. So now I'm going to start writing all the days of the week at the top, starting with Sunday, ending with Saturday. So according to what month you're doing, fill each box with the date. I'm working on June, so June 2020 starts on Monday the 1st, and ends on Tuesday the 30th. Then I'm just going to write my heading at the top that says June 2020. So I traced all the lines over in black, and now I'm just erasing all the pencil marks there were. We're almost done. Now all I'm doing is tracing the month name with a marker and adding a couple designs to the border. And that's it. You're ready to start filling out your calendar. And if you guys are doing the whole entire year, then all you have to do is January through June goes on one side of all 6 papers, and on the back side you can do July through December. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comments below, what is your guys' favorite month? See you next time. Bye!